Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. I hope you're doing really well. Today I have another foundation birthmark test request for you guys, and this time it is for the Revlon Colorstay. Now this request came from someone who was looking for a medium cover foundation that could provide a decent amount of coverage while not looking too obvious on the skin. They had heard that Colorstay may be such a foundation as it's supposed to blend seamlessly with the skin, but as I hadn't tried it I wasn't able to comment. So I felt that this was the perfect opportunity to make this video and share it with all of you. So for the video I'm using the combination and oily skin foundation, and my color is 110 Ivory. So a little bit about the foundation before we begin. The oily version is formulated with salicylic acid to help control oil and provide a poreless finish. Medium buildable coverage with a matte finish and SPF 15. It is an oil control formula for a perfectly even velvet matte complexion. Color stays true to skin all day long, even when your oil levels change. Perfect. So it might be perfect for those of you looking for medium coverage with a flawless look to the skin. But let's get to it, let's see how it works. So I'm applying it with a beauty blender. Shake it a bit and okay. Smells like foundation. Now in some of the reviews I had read, some people said that it dried a bit too quickly when they were applying it. I'm not sure if that was referring to the other formula. This is of course the oil and combination skin one, but it seems to be pretty blendable. Doesn't feel too dry. Okay, that's one layer. I'll quickly do the other side just to match it. Okay, that's one layer finished. I'll show you a bit closer what it looks like. So far it's definitely very light. I don't want to judge it too early. I think there's definitely another layer needed, so that's what we're gonna do. And that's the second layer. What do you guys think? It's definitely not full coverage, but then again, it doesn't claim to be. But I almost feel like it borders on light coverage rather than medium. I'm sure if you keep going and add a couple of more layers, you will get a medium coverage. But of course, more layers means more product on the skin, and then you're not necessarily achieving that flawless natural look you're looking for. However, with just 2 layers, I feel like it looks really nice on the skin. The color matches my skin, it doesn't settle in the pores, and it definitely doesn't cling to any dry spots. I think it looks very natural. So yes, in my mind this is a light / medium coverage foundation that could possibly be used for a really natural makeup look. But I'd love to hear what you guys think. What level of coverage do you guys see? So that's it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. My next video coming in a couple of days will be me putting Fenty Beauty to the birthmark test, which is something that I know a couple of you have already requested. So I hope you guys are excited for that. Also, if you have any questions for me, I have my contact information in the description below, so please feel free to get in touch. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you very soon. Bye!